Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you how to find your decor style. So a little while ago I shared a video on how to mix and match decor styles, and out of that video came a lot of questions asking how specifically to find your decor style, and also you wanted a little bit more information on the individual styles that I listed in that video. So today's video is going to go a little more in depth into some of the most common decor styles of today, and also I wanted to share with you 3 steps on how to find your own decor style. This video is part of my Simple Decorating Tips series where I share some simple tips on how to decorate your home on a budget. I will leave a link to the whole playlist somewhere up here and in the description box below. So a couple things before I start these tips on how to find your style. First of all, know that you might not be one specific style. You are probably a mix of 2 or 3 different decor styles in your home. Most people are, I definitely am. So when you're trying to sort out your decor style, don't feel like you have to put yourself in the box of one style. You're most likely a mix, and I will also leave a link to my video on how to mix decor styles somewhere up here and in the description box below. The second thing I want to mention is that it is totally okay to change your decor styles over the years. I certainly have. Most of my friends that love decorating have changed their style over the years. I mean, we naturally change our decorating style as we grow and mature and learn more about decorating and interior design, and also as our families change and grow and mature. 5 years ago, I wanted everything in my home to be very baby-proof because I had little ones, and now my girls are 4 and up, and they're very, very good with all of the furniture and accessories we have in our home. So I have a lot more freedom with how I want to decorate my house. So here are the 3 steps that I would suggest you take if you want to find your decorating style. Step number 1 is make a list of all of the items you have in your home already. So make a list of all the furniture pieces you have, of the accessories that you have. Take a look at the current wall colors that you have in your home, and just sort of the general shape of things. And if those are things that you really love already, then they're your style. Step number 2 is create a board on Pinterest with inspirational photos of rooms that you love. I love Pinterest for a resource for creating rooms and decorating. So just go to pinterest.com, search for home decor, or search for living room or a bathroom or a specific room, and make a board that's kind of your inspiration board for your style, and just start pinning images to that board that just make you smile and that you love. Another resource that I love for a similar purpose is houzz.com, HOUZZ.com. Those photos are a little more polished. If you're looking for more polished, more interior designer photos, you can create collections on there as well and just save photos that you love there. And the third and final step is to take stock of what you have already, so furniture, accessories, paint colors, etc. What you've pinned to your Pinterest board or your house collection, again, furniture, accessories, paint colors, fabrics, etc. And make a list of the common characteristics of everything. So for example, you might notice that you're pinning, or you have a lot of things that are weathered wood, that you like white linen, that you like vintage accessories, that you like antique accessories, that you like the color turquoise. And once you kind of make a list of characteristics that repeat over and over again in the photos that you have pinned and the things that you own, you're going to be able to nail down your decor style. So if you liked all of those things that I just listed, you might love farmhouse style, or you might love coastal style, or perhaps a combination of the 2, coastal farmhouse. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to list off 8 decor styles that are really common right now. These are popular ones right now that I've seen in my friends in the blogging world, and I've also talked to a lot of my blogging and decorating friends, and they've let me use some photos to share with you today to give you an example of these styles. If you feel like you're not on this list, I couldn't do all of the decor styles that are out right now or have been out. Just do a quick Google search or search on Pinterest for another decorating styles list or common decor styles you could check out. But these, like I said, are 8 of the most popular ones. I've altered my list from before after some comments. I've added traditional to this list. I know that's a popular one that I missed last time. Let me share with you 8 common decor styles and some of their characteristics, and you should be able to match up your list of things that you have and love to the list of characteristics in these decor styles, and you should be able to figure out which one is you.
The first style is traditional, and here's an example of a beautiful traditional living room by my friend Jen at Rambling Renovators. For this style, look for neutral colors like beige and white, intricate details like tufting and carving, symmetry, patterns like florals and damask, porcelain accessories, landscape art, and brass accents. The next style is modern. Here's a beautiful modern apartment by my friends Becky and Chris. Look for neutral and warm colors with pops of bright accent colors, clean lines, a less is more approach to decorating, exposed woods, chrome and glass accents, geometric patterns. The next style is farmhouse. This is a beautiful example of a farmhouse dining room by my friend Shannon at Homemade Lovely. Also a beautiful farmhouse bedroom by my friend Christy at Making It in the Mountains. For this style, look for neutral colors like white, cream, black, and gray, reclaimed and natural woods, mixed metals, industrial accents, patterns like buffalo check and stripes. The next style is Scandi or Scandinavian. This is my friend Colleen at Lemon Thistle's beautiful Scandi dining room. And here is my friend Danielle's at Life is a Party's beautiful Scandi living room. For this style, look for neutral and simple colors like white and gray, accents with pops of color, botanical and animal patterns, natural wood, smooth lines, simplicity, nature-inspired elements, hygge-inspired elements like warm textiles and candles. The next style is industrial. Here's my friend Medina at Grillo Design's beautiful industrial dining room. And here's my own sister's modern industrial kitchen, which I will give you a tour of here on the channel really soon. For this style, look for dark colors like black and gray, lots of worn metal accents, exposed pipes and ducts, unfinished elements, raw wood accents, vintage furniture, and accessories. The next style is coastal. Here's Sustain My Craft Habits' beautiful coastal kitchen, and here's Sand and Seisel's beautiful coastal living room. For this style, look for colors like warm white and ocean-inspired hues like blue and green, nautical decor accents, soft furnishings, beach-inspired accessories, shiplap, and wicker furniture. The next style is boho. Here's my own dining room from a couple years ago. I made it over, and here's Songbird's beautiful boho bedroom. For this style, look for rich colors like deep jewel tones, an overabundance of textiles and accessories, global-inspired accents, handmade items like wall hangings, pottery, and braided rugs, and a more is more approach to decorating. The final style is minimalist. Here's a beautiful minimalist living room from Best Friends for Frosting, and here's Best Friends for Frosting's beautiful minimalist dining room. For this style, look for light colors like white, gray, and pastels, empty space, minimal clutter with the use of storage elements, furniture with clean lines, large-scale art, and a less is more approach to decorating.
So I hope you found that list helpful, and I hope you were able to kind of go through that workshop of figuring out what you have, what you love, and the characteristics of all of those things, and matching it up to 1 or 2 or 3 of the decor styles I listed. So if you have done all that, what I want to hear is what style or styles are you? I would love to have that discussion in the comment section below. I think I am traditional farmhouse boho right now, and that could change in the future. And I would love to hear what your style is and just some examples of rooms that you've decorated with pieces that you love. If you could let us know in the comments and we can have a chat about that, that would be so fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor ideas, and I'll see you guys all again in the next video. Bye!